Alright, so there's one upgrade that I think everybody who owns a 1967 or 1977 Ford Highboy should do. And that upgrade is to support your transfer case. I just installed this transfer case support bracket today. It bolts into existing holes on your cross member. And it bolts directly to your transfer case. Now this transfer case should be able to withstand anything that I put it through. It shouldn't move. It shouldn't flex. Nothing should break. I bet it didn't even move. Now the 7.3 diesel motor that I have in my truck, it has a lot of torque. It puts a lot of stress on the transfer case, transmission, axles. Now supporting the transfer case is just one step that we can take to help make sure this thing lasts long, doesn't have any more mechanical breakdowns. It was fairly cheap, like $175. That's pretty good for me. So now that we saw the transfer case support, let me go ahead and show you guys how I installed it, kind of do a quick overview. Super easy, maybe took half an hour, 40 minutes, just trying to find the right tools and stuff like that. All right, here's this transfer case bar that I bought. I bought it from Vintage Truck in 4x4 out of California. It comes with these instructions. Here's the installation pictures. Here's the hardware. They didn't come painted, of course, so I painted them last night. Let's go ahead and install them. All right, so everything we need is 9/16. The old bolts are 9/16. We're gonna go ahead and remove these bottom three. I hope when I remove them that nothing's gonna leak. It's not gonna cause my seal to start leaking. We're about to find out. So far, so good. No leaks. All right, oh, it's leaking. Great. Out of that bolt hole, nice. I'm gonna put some thread locker on the other ones. Some Loctite, blue Loctite. And then we're gonna go ahead and take that one out and hopefully get it put back in real quick. Here we go. Got this here. Let's hopefully not lose too much more gear oil. I can top the transfer case back up. There we go. All right, let's snug them up. just take a look. It's good to me. They're all tight. Now, the next step, this piece. 2 right here, 1 in the back. So I don't even have to drill any holes for this to work. So let's go ahead and put it on. All right, let's take a look at the finished product.